Part 2 of What is Artificial Intelligence? Norvig and Russell go on to explore 4 different approaches that have historically defined the field of AI. Thinking humanly, thinking rationally, acting humanly, acting rationally. The first 2 ideas concern thought processes and reasoning, while the others deal with behavior. Norvig and Russell focus particularly on rational agents that act to achieve the best outcome, noting all the skills needed for the Turing test also allow an agent to act rationally. Russell and Norvig 4. Patrick Winston, the Ford Professor of Artificial Intelligence and Computer Science at MIT, defines AI as algorithms enabled by constraints, exposed by representations that support models targeted at loops that tie thinking, perception and action together. Smiling face with smiling eyes, smiling face with smiling eyes. While these definitions may seem abstract to the average person, they help focus the field as an area of computer science and provide a blueprint for infusing machines and programs with machine learning and other subsets of artificial intelligence. While addressing a crowd at the Japan AI Experience in 2017, Data Robot CEO Jeremy Achen began his speech by offering the following definition of how AI is used today. AI is a computer system able to perform tasks that ordinarily require human intelligence. Many of these artificial intelligence systems are powered by machine learning, some of them are powered by deep learning and some of them are powered by very boring things like rules. How is AI used? Artificial intelligence generally falls under 2 broad categories. Narrow AI, sometimes referred to as weak AI, this kind of artificial intelligence operates within a limited context and is a simulation of human intelligence. Narrow AI is often focused on performing a single task extremely well, and while these machines may seem intelligent, they are operating under far more constraints and limitations than even the most basic human intelligence. Artificial General Intelligence (AGI), sometimes referred to as strong AI, is the kind of artificial intelligence we see in the movies, like the robots from Westworld or Data from Star Trek: The Next Generation. AGI is a machine with general intelligence and, much like a human being, it can apply that intelligence to solve any problem. By NOORZAI Production. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, Knowledge by SK NOORZAI, click on bell icon and follow on all social accounts. And let us know in comments on which topic you want us to make video.